Good evening to everyone, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see this Apple iMac M4, which is pretty interesting, and the reason why I just uploading this video is at some point I just want to have this Apple iMac setup on my desktop. Right now I'm using laptop for the video editing, which is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1 laptop recently I purchased, but one day I want to just have this on my desktop, this Apple iMac M4 or something like this, because I want to do video editing on this Apple computer with AI features, and this got absolute mics, means the audio quality or the multimedia quality, and especially this display is 4.5K resolution display with 4.5K Retina display, which is the main highlight of this. And this comes with the magical keyboard and the magical mouse and with macOS. And this is the 16 GB RAM and 256 SSD. Yeah, the lightning fast performance, and this comes with the 8 cores CPU. Let us check the online details also. Yeah, see here, all this time we have seen the physical look of this Apple iMac M4, which is 16 GB and 256 GB SSD. Yeah, anyway, it see here it got 4.8 rating and the few purchases only, and this was showing like something like 1,34,000, almost 1,35,000 on online. This is on the Flipkart. Yeah, and just to check the box contents, I just gone through here, and okay, the thickness you can see here. As I said, it is 4.5K Retina display and studio quality mics provided, and 6 speakers with spatial audio. Once if you consume any multimedia content also, this would be really good. And 12 MP center stage camera, means when you do video calls or attend online classes or so, very high quality camera is provided. Yeah, supercharged by the M4 chip, which is very useful for the AI, Apple Intelligence, built for Apple Intelligence powerful. Okay, yeah, let us check the package details. Maybe one day I just want to buy this iMac magic keyboard, magic mouse, power adapter, power cord, USB-C to lightning cable. Yeah, these were the box contents. Yeah, if possible, I'll be just try to attach in the view products. You can check it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and let me know who else wants to set up a desktop like this.